China just released DeepSeek and everyone's saying it's better than ChatGPT. But is it really? Today we're putting them to the test by having both create Flappy Bird and seeing which one does it better. Alright, starting off with ChatGPT, let's ask it how we can make Flappy Bird. Oh my god, wait, it's generating all the sprites right now. Damn, okay. The bird? Wait, that's actually not even that bad. That's crazy. I was just generating all of them. Ooh, that's not a bad pipe. Alright, we'll use one of those. I get background. Ooh, this one might need some work. What is that random red thing in the middle? It's whatever. AI has its flaws, and now it gives us the steps to make the game. So let's run it up real quick. So now I'm in the new Unity project, and we can start the timer. 3, 2, 1. First thing, we must set up the project, dragging the sprites. Okay, we'll do that then. Boom, dragging the sprites. Alright, then we gotta create a new game object. We'll just put it as a square, dragging the bird. Oh my gosh. Come on, it can't be that thing. Let's make it like that. I think that's about right. Merge by 2D and set gravity to 2.5. 2.5. Then last but not least, a circle collider 2D for collision. Alright, now we gotta create the pipes, drag and drop the pipe sprites into the scene, and then make a pipe pair game object. Set up a script to move the pipes left and destroy them off screen. Okay, well, does it have the... Oh, here it is. Here's the script. And here we go. Drag it on. Pipe is not found. Oh, that's not good. Where and yo. Might have to call it quits here. ChatGPT might take the L. I spent a couple minutes trying to fix this, but I just ended up restarting Unity and that worked. So, alright, it's fixed. Let's see if it works. Come on. Oh, damn, it's already been 12 minutes. Alright, now we gotta create the background. So let's drag it on it. Say like right about there is good. Let's go, Gucci Gang. Alright, time for the bird script. Copy that. Paste that in. Okay, let's get it. See if it works. Okay, it works. Nice. Bouncing up and down. And we are 16 minutes in, and then we have the pipe spawner. We definitely gonna need this. Boo. Heartless test. Uh-oh. What? This isn't good? Oh my gosh, my game crashed. Rutger's guarding on. A lot of issues with ChatGPT. There we go. Oh, wait, what? Working now. Oh, nah. This is not it. Okay, I'm gonna need some more variability in the height, first of all. Second of all, they're spawning way too fast. Third of all. I don't know. I know you gotta face an empty game object called a score trigger and place between a pipe. Very good then. Drag a drawing in the scene, box spot or 2D, scale. Right about there is good. It is a trigger. It is. Paste. I don't think it's gonna work. I just have that feeling. Maybe. Yeah. Well, actually, hold on. Wait, I might have messed some up. Okay, I didn't give the bird the player tag. Whoops. Oh, wait, hold up. It might actually work. Alright, it works, but we can't die. We can't even die yet. How did like forget about that? We are 31 minutes in, really? That's crazy. So I sent ChatGPT this prompt. Alright. When we make it do the first pipe? Uh-oh, without. Restart. Our last step is progressive in difficulty. So all we gotta do is copy and paste this into the pipe script. Okay, and let me go for my new high score. No. Okay. Got 11. That's the best upper I'd be able to do. Game is done. We finished in 43 minutes. Not bad. Actually, no, that's terrible. That should have been like 15 minutes, but okay. Now let's move on to DeepSeek. Okay, now we're in DeepSeek, and so I'm just gonna paste the same exact prompt. Now the problem with DeepSeek is that it doesn't actually generate sprites, so I'm just gonna use Adobe Firefly to do that. I'm gonna ask it for the prompts, and I'm gonna put it into Adobe Firefly. So here we go. They gave us a bunch of prompts for each sprite. I'm gonna go with the second one for the bird. Let's paste that in there and generate. Bruh. Actually, fine. You know, I'll use this. Okay. Time for the pipe. This is kind of cooked, but I guess I'll go with the top one of this. Time for the background, and then that's all. Well, I guess we'll deal with this one. Alright, so I removed the background from the bird and the pipe. Now let's start the timer. 3, 2, 1. so much fun. Yeah. Alright, this game might need some work. How much time we got left? Only on 17 minutes so far? Ooh, we're on 36 minutes. Cutting it close here. Will it be able to beat ChatGPT? Yeah, I think it will. Especially if it works here, we're done. Okay, let's see. Whoa, what is that? Oh, okay. Restart. Restart? Oh, nah. What do you mean game over? What did I collide with? What? This game is a mess. Absolute disaster. Oh, okay. What? Game over from what? What do you thought? Game over? Oh, come touching the ground. Ayo. I'll make the ground lay all the way down here just to make it kind of fair. We should have a nice and polished game at this point. What? We're what 33rd Kingdom Road? Wait, what is this? Why is it doing that? Alright, we should be good. We should be good actually. There we go. 4, 5. Oh. Alright, let me try to be 11. If I can be 11, I think this is a better game than ChatGPT. Wait, we're done. So let me stop the timer. 38 minutes. It beat ChatGPT time-wise, but I'm not too sure if the game is actually better. Loki might be actually. What we beat 11. Uh-oh. Oh, 14. Oh my lord. And the pipe just goes. Alright, I'm actually gonna try hard to go for a high score. Uh-oh. Oh. See, this one's more intense. I feel like, you know, the goal is to get 50. Oh my gosh. That one came flying. I need to lock in, yo. Oh my gosh. Alright, 23, I'm not beating that, yo. Yo, honestly, not even a bad game. Besides, actually, this is kind of fun. This should be a game in itself. Yo, let me know which game you guys think is better.